Alright guys, so this is the ground floor from, you know, back. Alright. So I mean, you have plenty of sitting space, sitting area.
Yeah.
So if you want to stay in the TV here, or if you want to stay in the living room, you know.
So plenty space to host. Yes.
Yes.
When you want content quality, here's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the Delpratt family. So guys, we're at the Azeleas, a new development. You're gonna love it. We're at 33 Seymour Avenue, Oak Road, central location. You're gonna love the location. It's right near Subrin. It's near Bob Marley Museum.
Yes. Half a tree only takes 5-10 minutes from half a tree.
Exactly. So you're close to half a tree, close to Crossroad, close to Ligani, like what more you want, right? So we're at the entrance, and this is their townhouse. Yeah.
So these are going fast, guys. So overall, there are 31 units in the development, and only 14 are left.
Yeah.
Right, and as you can see, we are not yet completed in terms of construction, but already a lot of the units are being sold out. So we're gonna, you know, take a look at this exciting development.
So come with us, guys. So this is the entrance, and as we enter, we have to the right the TV room. I want you guys to pay attention to the amount of space that we have in the TV room. I like it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Like you can put your good size couch, your nice TV, you can have a nice entertainment area set up right here. So, and then there's another surprise. Come this way, look at this. You know, I'm always talking about the storage space, right?
Yeah, storage is always an issue.
Yeah.
Right. So it's a decent size space. This looks like probably around 8 by 8 by by like 5. 8 by 8 by 5. You know, it's pretty big. It can fit as what Jhanine had said. This is Jhanine Jackson.
Hi.
Our realtor, right? She's giving us an awesome tour today.
Yes.
All right. So she was showing us some of the features of this place, and of course, she was saying that even if you have a Christmas tree, you don't have to be pulling it apart. You just fit it in there nicely.
Man, a nice storage space. Have a lot of storage and even more left over. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
and by the way, guys, Jhanine Jackson, as I said, she's our realtor. All right. For purchasing, her link will be in the description. All right, guys. Yes. Also, if you are a realtor or a developer and you would like your development to be featured on the Delpratt Family channel, right? A link will be in the description. It's thedelprattfamily@gmail.com. Just reach out to us and we can get it done. All right? Yes, so we are moving on.
So directly over to the left, we have the helpers quarters right here.
Yes.
And it's an entire section. And this is not included in the 3 rooms. So we enter, and we have the helpers quarters right here. We have our window. The room is not decorated, so use your imagination with me, guys. Alright, so we have our space right here.
A nice shower.
And there is a bathroom. Yeah, so
a nice standing shower.
Exactly.
Yes.
With your rainfall settings as well. Your tub. So this is actually a decent space for your helpers unit if you actually need one. It can also be used for your office space.
Yes.
Can be used for your personal space. Right? What do you use it for, babe?
I use it for editing, for video editing.
Video editing.
Yes.
Right? I'm watching football. Okay, I know Jaden wanting TV, and he's not willing to give it up to watch football. Then we have immediately in front of this space, we have the laundry room.
Yeah. Right, so it can comfortably fit washer and dryer.
Yeah.
All right, and if you have your water heater,
Exactly.
all of that can fit
be
here
done in this
nicely.
area. And
Yes.
as you see, directly in this space we have the kitchen. What I love about this area, I'm always talking about storage.
Yes.
And then something that's nice and fancy.
True. All right, so the countertop is quartz, guys.
Quartz countertop.
Yes.
And I just love these.
And I like the paint, how it contrasts with the cupboards.
Yes.
Right?
Definitely. So
Really like it.
You have a lot of cupboards.
Very clean lines.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Clean lines. A lot of spaces. I love the faucet. And I'm just loving this thing.
Yes.
This sink is really nice. So if you see the way how the sink is set up, stainless steel, you have your little nozzles, right? And your bins.
Yes.
Slide
Very
out
discreetly
bins.
put.
Exactly. Exactly. So you don't have to have the garbage bin out anywhere.
Right.
You know, kind of discreetly have it. I like the spacing under it as well. But look over this side. This is what I just really love. Look at this.
Dish drain.
Yes, so you already have all this set up for you for your dishes and all these stuff.
Stainless
Alright,
steel,
stainless
of course.
steel.
Alright, and underneath for your pots and pans.
Yeah.
Alright, by the way guys, this is an over the range microwave. Right, it should be fit
To fit directly
just over the
this
stove
way.
here.
Yeah.
Right, but as you guys know, this place is just being staged. So pardon, you know.
Exactly. So I definitely love the counters, I love the closets, I love the spaces, the cupboard spaces, I love those spaces. But look right here as well. To the left we have our powder room. And this is just awesome. When the guests come, the space is already there waiting for them.
Yes, so the guests don't have to be like going to your master bathroom,
To your bedroom.
you know, or upstairs. You know, they can always use here and they're comfortable.
Yeah, basically. And then you have this area. What I love about this area now, when I saw it, I couldn't help but notice these doors, right? Look at the doors.
Less in plenty of light, eh?
Exactly, so you can get all the light that you want into this area. You know, sometimes you have dark areas in the house. You just well light it up.
True.
I love sunlight, so you can always get all the sunlight you want with these big windows and the big doors. And of course, you have in this space, you have your living room and your dining room. You have your living room and the dining room, so this is a wonderful space as well.
And the covered patio is a big feature as well.
Right.
Yes, the patio.
And the garden.
Covered patio
Exactly.
with a garden. The area has been landscaped, so this will be fully grassed,
Yeah.
right? So when you get it handed over, it will be fully grassed. And a
And
lot of
separated.
that
So
too.
you can see the separation, so your neighbors won't be
Right.
in your immediate space or space.
A lot of apartments, you don't get a driveway, as well as, you know,
Backyard.
a backyard. So I really like this. And of course, in Kingston these days, you don't get a backyard in Kingston anymore. You know, and for the unfortunate thing, you don't get a backyard anymore. But at the Azeleas, if you purchase one of these, you will get your backyard.
It's the next thing to you can it's actually a decent area.
Very big.
It's a decent
You can have
area.
a
So you
whole
can do-
farm, have a section where you plant in your
Yeah.
pepper.
Or you can have
Right.
I can have your barbecue,
Yes.
right? Barbecue grill.
Bar set up up here.
Yes.
Really nice. Really nice.
Yes,
Right
yes.
away from the
I mean, the developers they really put thought into this, and because it's pricey, right? So I say you'll be getting a money's worth.
Yeah.
You know what I always look at? I always look at how they design the kitchen. When a developer puts thought into the kitchen, you know, them you put thought in like everything else.
True,
You know,
so
when
true.
you see them start out the kitchen. Yeah.
All right, guys. So this is the
Ground floor.
ground floor from back. All right. So you have plenty of sitting area.
Yeah.
So if you want to stay in the TV room, that's fine. Or this is what you call the living room here. Or if you want to stay in the living room, you know.
So it's plenty space to host. To host, yes.
Yes.
And family. So if you're like us, and your family will just pop up, you have plenty of space to keep them. Right?
So now guys, we're going to view the bedrooms upstairs. There are actually 3 bedrooms, right, and 3 bathrooms upstairs. All right, so we're going up.
You can find it here where you can have the decorative decor and you have a nice wall space for your portraits or family portraits can be perfect right here.
Yes.
So it's a great space that they can just make your own, you know?
Yes.
Family zone.
Alright, so this is the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Alright, and of course guys, all dimensions will be in the description. So their website will be there with all details, brochures, and everything. Alright guys?
I like the fact that there's enough space in this room.
Yes.
And the reason why I like it is because in Kingston, anything you get in Kingston,
probably half the size.
It's small.
Yes.
It's really small. And these units, this is what I'm seeing right now, is pretty big.
True.
So it's a good space. And there's actually an extended unit.
Yes. With a bigger master bedroom.
So if you want a bigger master,
yes, you can have
get
it.
The extended
and the walk-in closet is actually bigger as well.
Yes.
For that unit. But also it's of decent size as well.
I mean, the walk-in closet is, you know, it's massive. It's very big.
I like the organization. So you already have some amount of organization going on.
Yes.
So with the extended unit here, you get a bigger master, a bigger walk-in.
Yeah.
And then we have our master bath as well. So we have our faucets, we have our counter space that you can make your own. I like the fact that they have several drawers, right? So you can do your storage. Sometimes, again, you can accumulate stuff, you know? Big mirror. And I love the fact that there's this big window right here to let in the light. So when you're doing your makeup, you can have enough light. So we have a wet room feature in the bathroom and a rainfall shower. We have a rainfall shower.
Right, guys, as you notice, so it's coming like without the royal time, you know, guys. Right, so a nice little vibe, you know. So you just put on your bath towel, right, and of course the shower is designed in such a way that it doesn't, a lot of splashing doesn't go on. Right, so just give you a nice vibe, guys.
You know, we're gonna do more splashing in here, right? You're gonna be like. I don't imagine that.
Alright, so we're gonna view the kids' room.
Yeah, so we have 2 rooms. Going to the left, we have the kids' room.
The kids get a bathtub.
Yeah.
Right? Because we don't want the kids flooding all the place. Right? Yes, and the pictures are nice as well. They add a nice touch. Alright.
The vent.
Extractor.
Yeah.
So it takes all the smell out of the bathroom, the heat as well. After you take a shower, smell after you use the bathroom, the extractor fan just pull everything out.
Exactly. Can you imagine being in this closed space with all that fumes going on?
Right.
So the powder room has one, all the bathrooms have extractor fans.
Yes.
Great.
And all the rooms also have smoke detectors.
Yes.
As well.
Yes.
So that's another great feature.
Right, guys, so as you notice, you know, there's a tray ceiling here. All the bedrooms have tray ceilings.
And we have our nice closet. So it's not the big space like what we have over there, but definitely enough for our children's room. And there's a light in the closet as well.
That's good. Yes.
That's a great feature. There's another feature that we need to point out is that all the rooms will come fitted with fixtures already. For the AC is covered for aesthetics, of course, but you can easily install the AC units when you get 10 units. And I love the size of the windows as well.
Can open right out.
Yep.
And this just shows you the potential of the rooms. You know, with nice wall hangings and nice furniture, you can have a really lovely looking space.
So this is the second bedroom. The third.
The third. we lost count, right?
So we still have our windows right there. But Adrian, how this work again?
Oh yeah, so these wine out.
Yeah.
And it has a mosquito mesh on it.
Yes.
These actually wine out, just like this.
Yeah.
So you can get plenty of ventilation. So
yes.
You know, all of them are like that.
And you have your mesh on the door.
Yes.
In case you didn't catch that.
Yes.
This is the third bedroom, and there's also a closet as well on this side with lights, and I like that definitely. And the bathroom, babe. So we have the wet room feature as well in this bathroom with the rain shower feature. Rainfall shower. Rainfall shower.
Yes.
Right, and we have our counter space with the little storage area below and our mirrors. Hi, babe.
What's up?
We're back outside.
And that is your linen closet that you're coming with now.
Right, so immediately between the two rooms,
The linen closet.
right, we have a linen closet.
I know I love these already.
So I mean, the developer put a lot of thought into storage. That's big for them clearly, right? Because they want you to have a comfortable time.
Yeah. Look, as soon as you move in, you're gonna be overwhelmed with need for space.
Yes.
Trying to pinch things in this corner, in that corner, organize. Especially when you have kids. So,
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the carport to the front.
Yes.
Can accommodate all of 3 vehicles. Right? It's huge. 3 vehicles can be accommodated here.
There's landscaping and landscaping between.
Yes, and landscaping is included.
So there's a lot of interest for the area. As you know, it's Seymour Avenue, Kingston 6.
Yes.
So as soon as we started the construction, further calls came in. Before we had the open house, which was last week,
Yes.
all the units that are currently gone were already reserved. So because of that, we started the sale agreement process. So what is left here has been here since the open house. So we do have offers coming in.
Yes.
So anybody who's interested, make your offer as soon as possible.
Yes. Info is in the description, guys, for Jhanine Jackson.
Yes, as soon as possible, because you know the interest in the area is very strong. I have viewings throughout this weekend, and possibly next week. So
Yeah.
make contact.
All right. Yes. So this is the outside area, guys. Everybody, they get the canopy set up. All right. Covered garage area, and of course this will be painted. Yes, as you can see, guys, still an active construction site. All right, and already people are gobbling them up. Yep. So we are going towards the pool area now. All right, and Jenny will also tell us a little more about some of the amenities that this place comes with.
Alright, so we're at the pool area now. The pool gazebo will be here. As you can see over that side, you have the generator. There's a full capacity generator. We also have water tanks, full capacity water tanks. This will be the general entertainment area. You'll have a gazebo, which is the farm work is already going on here.
Yes.
And here would be one would be the gazebo, one would be the pool pavilion. So you have 2 sections here where you can entertain. So think of it, a nice barbecue with the family. You can just come here and relax.
So true. Yes.
So really nice size pool as well.
Because I mean, this development is quite intimate. Only what, 31 units. So for 31 units, this pool is, and the size is all right.
It's a very close community.
Yes.
Not big.
Yeah.
You can definitely know all your neighbors.
Right. And the road is a very quiet road because you're off the main road.
Right.
So very quiet, very serene. You don't have a lot of traffic hearing, blaring. I mean, when you're sitting quietly, you can really hear the birds chirping. So it's a really nice area.
Alright guys, that's it for the Delpratt family. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you watch 2-hour video, 3-hour video, yeah, wait pan. Subscribe, right? Remember to hit the post notification bell, put the setting on all, that way you know every time we upload a video, and give us a thumbs up.
Yes, guys, and Also, as I say, if you have a development that you would like to showcase, or whether you be a developer or a realtor, you can always hit us up, link is in the description, thedelprattfamily@gmail.com. Alright guys,
you can binge watch all of our videos. Just stay over here and watch all our videos, everything. And if you don't watch all of our content, go over to Cassie Does Life. We have things over there too.
Alright.
Alright. Bye guys.